Hey, let me show you all methods how you can go back on the Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So in some settings you can actually find dedicated back button in the left upper corner that you can quickly click and simply go back to the previous option. But you can also get the classic back button, so by clicking here you can also go back. But you can also do this with the gestures. So let me show you first of all how you can select the navigation method. Go here, then gestures, navigation mode, and as you can see we can select for example the 3-button navigation, or we can get gesture navigation. And with the gestures you can still use this back button, or you can just swipe from the left edge like that and release, or you can do this like much faster. And you can basically go back from every part of the screen, like top, middle, bottom part. It's actually quite simple. You can even go back when you swipe from the right side to the left side. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video.